your deadlift. I have 2 weights here. You could also do this with 1 heavy dumbbell. To start, I'm going to bring my feet about hip width apart and bring the weights together and set them on the ground. Now I'm setting them right between my feet and in line with my shoelaces. That's a really good marker for you to use here. Now for the rest of this exercise, I'm going to turn to the side to make it easier for you to see. So I'm going to drop down to that same position again. My hands are on the weights and they are in line with my shoelaces. Now what I need you to do is to drop the hips just a bit so that way you can keep a nice straight spine. From here, you have all the same elements of a Romanian deadlift, but you're going to press through the heels, squeeze the glutes, have the lats already engaged, and come on up to standing. So you bring the weights down the same way you came up. Nice straight spine, sinking into the heels, and drop the weight all the way down. Squeeze the glutes, and come on up. If you find that you're rounding your spine, you can't quite get here, you can always put something underneath your weight to elevate it a little bit. So it's just a little bit higher and you can keep your spine nice and straight. And that is your traditional deadlift.